All right, what's going on, everyone? Jay Athens back again with another video. And today I just wanted to touch on a video talking about the the stock market, particularly we'll say the S&P 500. And I got some information for everyone just to show you guys how I'm looking at the market. So I got some data in front of me. And I know there's a lot of talks about recessions in the market or maybe a stock market crash coming up, and everyone is feeling that pressure, right? So we know the Feds are raising interest rates and they have a particular target that they want to go to before they start to, cut interest rates. So there's still a lot more room to raise rates, and we'll see how fast or how strong they want to move. But in the meantime, let's look at the S&P, because I know there's a lot of people that trade CFDs on S&P and the US 30. Now, particularly, we're going to look at this from a whole, and then maybe we'll jump over to the S&P. But pretty much the S&P is implying the same thing that you see on your screen right here. Now, a couple things I want to break down. The market is, matter of fact, let me do this really quick. Let's pull this up. Let's go to Trading View. All right, so let's pull this up really quick and let's open a chart. Let me get all my settings correct. Hold on really quick. And just want to show you guys from a general perspective for everyone that's watching this video. Let's go over here and let's get these out the way. Can't show you guys too much sauce, but I'll show you something. Now, let me share my screen with you and let's go back to what we were talking about. Now, we saw this move right here, and there's a reason why I have it called the bear market at the 3855. So if you understand what I'm saying, you'll know why this level is so important. So if we notice, the market came back to these levels. It broke below and then it just took off. Why? Because we had some central bank news. And if you understand central banks, you'll understand why this came up. But it created such a bullish dynamic, right? And let's talk in terms of how traders look at it in the market, the average trader. Let's do this. We can see a high right here, but then we notice that high was broken. It gave us a bullish candle, retrace. So the sentiment for the S&P is long. Would you agree with me? Put in the comments or put in, wherever, put in the chat, whatever. Now, would you agree with me that the sentiment is now long based on where we see this 3855 level? And notice how price reacted from here. So we know this is a level of significance and we know why. Now, let's go back over here and imply something on the market. What is the market implying? So if we look at the open interest, that's implying, okay, the open interest is very high, or it has an extreme open interest to the bullish side. And what did we see? Bullish nature, right? The Feds didn't come out as strong as we thought. There's some bullish nature right there. We broke this week's high over here, and we could possibly say a retrace, right? Okay. But if you look at the open interest, it's showing long too. So whether that's small traders, the trader down the street, just traders in general, there is an open interest that's very high to be long the S&P. But if we look at the initial positioning now, the large speculators and the commercials, this is something that I teach my private members all the time. We're hitting extreme levels. Now, this could mean one of two things. We hit extreme levels and the market turns around and we continue to see prices higher, or we stay in such a very extreme bearish territory that all that we see to the upside could be a trap. So it's very important to understand the nature of the market or the backdrop of the market of why things happening. Because if we look at it, guys, look what my data is telling me. We're hitting all-time levels. So all-time means is that the direction that the large speculators and commercials are, they're either very bearish or very bullish. So it's, I'm not going to go too in depth, of understanding who these players are in the game. If you know, you know. But we're seeing bullish price action with bullish open interest, and we seeing very extreme bearish momentum. So what does, just think about what I'm saying, guys. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to drop too much on you guys. I just wanted to get you guys to think about the market. And, you know, it's not always what you see, it's what you know, or what you expect to come. You know, my example, I talked this weeks ago, look at gold. Gold, everyone was long gold. I did a video on this from this same data report. Everyone was long gold. And then what happened? Gold smacked right into 2000 and it fell ever since. So just wanted to drop some quick sauce on everyone about the S&P, you know, just the where we are right now as of today, which is what?